Want to keep your OneDrive files neatly organized on your D drive instead of the default C drive? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to move and sync your OneDrive folder to your D drive, step by step. By the end, you'll have your files syncing exactly where you want them, freeing up space on your main drive, making backups easier, or just keeping everything a little tidier. Let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is actually change where OneDrive saves and syncs your files. Now, a common mistake is just trying to drag the OneDrive folder from C to D, but that won't work properly. OneDrive needs to be told to use the new location. So follow along and take it slow. I promise it's straightforward if you go step by step. First up, we need to unlink OneDrive from your computer temporarily. Look down at your taskbar for the little OneDrive cloud icon. It might be hiding under the Show Hidden Icons arrow, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Right-click on that, then click Settings. Head over to the Account tab and you'll see an option called Unlink this PC. Go ahead and click that. What we're doing here is disconnecting your current sync setup so we can start fresh with the D drive. Think of it like pausing a delivery service before changing your address. It makes sure files don't get jumbled up. Next, if you already had files in your old OneDrive folder, which is usually sitting somewhere on your C drive, you'll probably want to keep those. This part is optional but highly recommended. Just open your File Explorer, browse to the old OneDrive folder, and copy or move everything over to your new location on the D drive, which we'll set up in a moment. If you have a lot of files, be patient. Moving big folders can take a little time. Alright, with OneDrive unlinked and your files ready, it's time to set up OneDrive on the D drive. Open up the OneDrive app or search for OneDrive in your Start menu and sign back in when prompted. This is where the magic happens. You'll be asked where to put your OneDrive folder. It wants to go to C by default, but instead, click the button that says Change Location. Browse to your D drive, and I recommend making a dedicated folder called OneDrive, so you might end up with D/OneDrive. Select that new folder, click Use this folder, and finish up the setup steps. Now, every file you sync or save into OneDrive will end up on your D drive automatically. Before we wrap up, there's one more powerful feature to check folder backup. In OneDrive settings, look for something called Sync and Backup, then tap Manage Backup. Here you can turn on automatic syncing for your desktop, documents, and pictures folders. That means anything you save in those places will be backed up to the D drive, a fantastic safety net in case something ever happens to your computer. And that's it, you've officially shifted OneDrive to your D drive. This gives you more control and often better performance, especially if your C drive is running out of space. If you ran into any quirks, just recheck each step or let me know in the comments below. I read every one and am happy to help. If this tutorial sorted things out for you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tech guides like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.